Welcome back to Soulful Summit, the heart and mind of inspiration and motivation on Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier, happier, and more confident you. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's close to my heart: unity in diversity. We'll explore how this concept can inspire us, motivate us, and challenge us to be better versions of ourselves. So, let's dive right in. Unity in diversity. It's a phrase we've all heard, but what does it truly mean? It's about celebrating our differences, not just tolerating them. It's about understanding that our uniqueness is what makes us special. And when we come together, we create a beautiful tapestry of humanity. It's about recognizing that our strength lies in our diversity, and when we unite, we can achieve anything. If you're enjoying this video and finding value in our discussion, give this video a thumbs up. And if our daily videos are becoming your go-to for all things inspirational and motivational, show some love by hitting like and subscribe to always stay updated. Unity in diversity is not just about accepting others for who they are, but also about accepting ourselves. It's about embracing our own uniqueness and understanding that we have a place in this world, just as we are. It's about realizing that we don't have to conform to societal norms to be accepted. We are all different, and that's okay. In fact, it's more than okay. It's beautiful. Unity in diversity is a powerful source of inspiration. It inspires us to be more accepting, more understanding, and more compassionate. It challenges us to look beyond our own perspectives and to see the world through the eyes of others. It encourages us to step out of our comfort zones and to embrace new experiences, new cultures, and new ideas. It reminds us that we are all connected, that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. Unity in diversity also plays a crucial role in our personal growth. It pushes us to broaden our horizons, to learn from others, and to grow as individuals. It teaches us that there is no right or wrong way to be, but rather, there are many different ways to be, and each of these ways is valid, each of these ways is valuable, and each of these ways contributes to the richness of our world. In closing, let's remember that unity in diversity is not just a concept, but a way of life. It's about celebrating our differences, embracing our uniqueness, and coming together to create a world that is rich in diversity and united in love. So, let's challenge ourselves to live out this principle in our daily lives. Let's strive to be more accepting, more understanding, and more compassionate. And let's remember that our strength lies in our diversity. And when we unite, we can achieve anything. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep inspiring. Goodbye for now.